Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Ken Kaneki from Tokyo Ghoul. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the top of his head with curved line across, in the middle point right there. Turn it diagonally downwards on the left corner. Flare it out at that point to the left, sharp turn diagonally inwards to the right, sharp turn back downwards, sharp turn back upwards on the right corner and turn it back downwards. I'm gonna repeat that same set of sharp turns at the side of his head right there, and I'm gonna mirror the same set of line on the right side of his head. At the lower point, I'm gonna draw from the left some zigzag lines across, and I'm gonna make the shape of the zigzag line randomly, and some are short and some are long zigzag line all the way to the right side of his head. Inside of his hair, I'm going to draw some random lines downwards all over the space right there. Now below the hair on the left, I'm going to draw the outer line of his eye patch with a line downwards and slightly to the right. Turn it across to the right and slightly up. Turn it back upwards on the right corner right there. And inside of the eye patch, at the lower corner on the left, I'm going to draw a small circular shape and another similar circular shape on the right corner. On the left side of the eye patch, at the lower point, I'm going to draw the left side of his face mask with a short line out to the left right there. Turn it downwards and slightly to the right. Turn it diagonally down to the right. On the right side of the eye patch, at the low point, I'm going to draw a curved line across and stretch it downwards. Turn it back upwards on the right corner. Turn it diagonally down to the right, across to the right, and turn it back diagonally down. Turn it downwards on the right side of his mask and slightly to the left. Turn it diagonally to the left and downwards. Inside of the mask, I'm going to draw his mouth with a line across in the middle point for the upper line. Turn it diagonally up at the outer corner. Same as could turn downwards and flare it out. Same as could turn to the middle point and diagonally downwards. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side of his mouth. Curved line across at the lower point in the middle. Inside of the mouth at the lower left corner, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape at that point. And above the tip of that, I'm gonna draw a short line up. Same as could turn to the right, and on the lower point, curved line across to the right and slightly downwards, curved line across to the right, turn it diagonally up at that corner, same as could turn upwards, same as could turn across to the left. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a line across in the middle point. And in the middle of that shape, I'm going to draw a line downwards and repeat that line downwards across to the left and to the right. Above the mouth, I'm going to draw his nose with a V shape in the middle point, a line upwards above that. Above the mask, I'm going to draw off center to the right, a line upwards and slightly to the left. Mirror that same line on the left side. Above that, from the eye patch, I'm going to draw a curved line across and slightly upwards to the right. And for his right eye, at the inner corner, I'm going to draw a diagonal line upwards at that point. Curved line across to the right, turn it diagonally down at the outer corner, and turn it diagonally inwards and downwards. For the lower line of that eye, I'm going to draw a line across from the inner corner to the right. And above that, I'm going to draw his pupil with a semicircle line from the upper point. Now at the outer corner of his head, I'm going to draw his ear with a line downwards below the hair, turn it diagonally to the right, and semicircle turn to the side of his mask. Mirror that same set of line for his right ear. Below the ear, I'm going to draw some strands of hair with a V shape, and on the right side of that, a similar V shape zigzag across all the way to the side of his mask. Mirror that same set of shape for the right side as well. Below his mask, I'm going to draw the color of his outfit with curved line across in the middle point. Extend it out on the right corner and slightly downwards. Semicircle turn up and out. Semicircle turn up and to the left. Turn it diagonally up and curved line across to the left. Mirror that same set of line on the left side of his collar. And at the outer corner of that set of line, I'm going to trace the same curved line at his upper corner. Semicircle turn downwards at the outer point, and a diagonal line downwards at the base of that. I'm going to do the same thing for the right side. Below his mask, I'm going to draw a line downwards on the left for his neck at that corner, and at the outer corner of that, a line out to the left at the upper point right there. Turn it downwards. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw two lines downwards in the middle point. Mirror that same shape on the right side of his neck. At the outer corner of his collar, I'm going to draw a line out to his shoulder on the left right there. Turn it downwards and flare it out to the left. Curved line across to the right. At the inner corner of his shoulder, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards and to the right. Curved line downwards to his waist and extend it inwards. Flare it back outwards below the waist and extend it downwards to the lower point of his shorts. Copy that same set of line on the right side of his outfit. At the outer corner of his right sleeve, I'm going to draw a V shape at that point. Turn it upwards at the inner corner on the left. Sharp turn V shape across back to the right at the upper point. Repeat that same set of shape at his upper corner. Below the sleeve, I'm going to draw his lower arm with curved line downwards at the outer corner. Flare it out diagonally and turn it back downwards to his wrist. Mirror that same set of line for the inner line of his arm. At the inner corner, I'm gonna turn it diagonally outwards and turn it downwards. Curved line across to the right and turn it upwards at that corner. On the right side of that, I'm gonna draw some short line across at that corner. For the outer line of his hand, I'm gonna extend it downwards on the right corner, slightly to the left, turn it diagonally to the left and across to the left. On the left side of that, a U curve line from his thumb to that ending point, turn it diagonally up and turn it upwards. Now on his wrist, I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner. 2 more curved lines across above that, and 2 more curved lines above that. I'm gonna repeat the same shape of his arm on the left side. For the lower point of his short, on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line across and slightly upwards at the inner corner. Turn it upwards with a curved line at the inner corner of his shorts right there, and curved line across in the middle of his legs. I'm gonna do the same thing and mirror that on the right side of his shorts. For the pattern on his outfit, from the top, I'm going to draw at the inner corner of his sleeve, curved line across and slightly upwards to the middle point. Semicircle turn diagonally down to the right, turn it back diagonally down to the left, and semicircle turn to the left. Inside of that shape, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a curved line across. Copy that same set of shape on the right side. Above that shape, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards to the outer corner of his shoulder on the right. Repeat that same curved line again on the left corner right here, and another one at that inner corner. Mirror that same set of line on the left side of his shoulder. Below that whole thing, diagonal curved line from the right to the middle point and downwards, across to the left. Turn it downwards at that corner, sideways to the right, turn it back upwards, curved line diagonally up to the right and to the inner corner of his sleeve. Above that diagonal line, I'm going to draw another similar diagonal line in the middle point right there. And on the left side of that, I'm going to draw some small circular shape along the left side of that shape at that corner right there. On the left side of that, at the upper point, diagonal curved line up to the left. Repeat that same diagonal line again, similar to the one on the right side of his outfit, and a diagonal curved line in the middle of that shape at that corner. Above that, I'm going to draw a line upwards off center to the left all the way to his collar, and another similar line on the right corner right there. At the outer corner of those lines, from the side, diagonal line upwards to the middle point and upwards, semicircle turn to the left and turn it diagonally down to the left. Inside of that shape, at the top right corner, I'm going to draw a circular shape at that point, and another circular shape inside of that. Mirror the whole set of shape on the right side. Below that whole thing on the left, curved line out to the left, semicircle turn diagonally down to the left, curved line out to the left. Repeat that same set of line again at this upper corner on the left, and another one in the middle point right there. Below that whole thing, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards at that corner and slightly to the right, another similar curved line on the left side of that, and another one. At the ending point below, I'm going to draw a line across. Mirror the whole thing on the right side of his outfit. Now across his waist from the left, I'm going to draw a curved line all the way to the right there, and above that, off center to the left, a line upwards at that corner, and on the right side of that, from the upper point, a line downwards and slightly to the right, turn it diagonally to the left, diagonally to the right and downwards, turn it back to the left and turn it back to the right. Below the upper line of the short on the left, I'm going to draw a line downwards at that corner, turn it diagonally out to the right and downwards, turn it diagonally to the left and downwards, diagonal line to the right and downwards at that corner, and turn it back to the left. On the right side of that whole thing, at the upper corner, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the right, short line upwards at that corner. Mirror the whole thing on the right side of his shorts. Now below his shorts, I'm going to draw his lower leg on the left corner with curved line downwards, flare it out to the left and turn it back downwards. At that corner, I'm going to turn it diagonally downwards to the left, turn it sideways and to the left, sharp turn downwards diagonally to the right, and curved line across to the right. Turn it diagonally up at that corner and curved line to the right. Turn it diagonally up to the right, turn it inwards to his ankle point and semicircle turn back upwards, flare it slightly out on his calf right there, and turn it back inwards at the back of his knee and curved line upwards. Across his ankle, I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner and two curved lines across above that, and another set of curved lines across at this upper corner. Repeat that same shape and mirror it on the right side. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.